right?
Oh, this one.
Another Pop Mart unboxing for the Ma.K.
I really like them. I don't know if they are popular, but there's like a little machine.
Very popular. They sell out pretty fast.
Okay.
When I bought this one, the girl in front of me was buying them, and I was so scared that she was going to take the last one, but she didn't. There was one more after this, so I left it for someone else.
Well, when I get there, it was like...
It was gone. Yeah, I know. Because they just restocked it that morning. Ooh, it's big.
Wait, it has
Pieces? Okay, don't look at that.
Okay, I'll do it.
Oh, big one. Wow. It's big. Oh, you got the monster. You got the Labubu one, the monsters. That's also Flamingo. SAFS prototype. Oh wait, there's more here. Give the helmet. Wow. Yeah, the monsters and Ma.K. Flamingo. What a cute one, huh?
I love it. No, but I want this looking.
Yeah, you can just keep it to the side or something, but it just is an option. It's really cute.
Okay, now let's protect her. Her is too toxic for her.
Wow.
Wait,
Look
you
at
can
that.
move this. What is this?
The details on it.
Hey, this is Flamingo.
Yeah, Flamingo.
Labubu, Labubu. I really like it.
Nice. Good pull.
And then it's like...
Till next time.